The popularity of sleeping music videos on YouTube is undeniable. A simple search reveals countless videos with 50 million, 100 million, or even 500 million views. These are often one-hour sleep videos, and their revenue per thousand views can easily reach $20 to $30. This means a single successful video can generate thousands of dollars in revenue. You might assume these channels are not monetized, but that is incorrect. I will show you examples of fully monetized channels earning significant income from this content. Some creators use simple elements like a 3D sleeping character and consistently earn thousands of dollars. In this video, I will show you the exact type of sleeping music channel that achieves millions of views using AI tools. Creating these videos is straightforward if you use the right tools and follow the proper process. This content is entirely monetizable, but only if it meets a high-quality standard. Low-quality videos will not be approved for monetization. Watch this full video to learn how to create high-quality, monetized sleeping music videos through a clear step-by-step guide. Okay, let's get started with the most important step first, which is generating the background music. This is the core element that people actually listen to. We will create this music using AI. I have prepared some prompts for you, and you can find the Google Doc link in the description below. You need to copy the first prompt and go to ChatGPT. Paste the prompt there. You can edit the length of the music you want. For this, I will change the length to 5 minutes. After making that change, you need to click the Generate button. ChatGPT will then provide you with a complete structured prompt, which we will use for our sleeping video. First, copy that entire prompt from A to Z. Next, you need to go to a website called Music GPT. I will put the link in the description below. You can generate music here 100% with AI. Once you go to the Music GPT website, you need to sign up and log in. After signing up and logging in, you will see the main interface of the website. Now watch the video until the end. On the right side of the screen, you will see the Create and Explore buttons. Click on the Create button, and your music generation area will be here. If you click on the Explore button, you can listen to other music others have made. Here you can also see your profile, like songs, and create new playlists. But we will generate our own first. To generate, click on the Create button. Paste the prompt that ChatGPT gave you into the field. After pasting, click on the simple Generate button. The AI will start generating your music. This usually takes up to 2 minutes. As you can see, it's creating a sleeping music track. You can watch it process. Within a few seconds, the music will be ready. You can listen to it immediately. After listening, if you're happy, you can easily click the 3 dots next to the track and select the Download button to save the file. If you need a longer video, like 3 or 4 hours of music, then you have to go back to ChatGPT. Ask ChatGPT to give you more music prompts. Copy the new prompt it provides and return to Music GPT. Paste the prompt into Music GPT, adjust your settings if needed, and click the Generate button. Your next music track will be ready. You can easily generate music this way, all with one click. From here, you can make 10 songs for free with the initial credits. Music GPT provides 500 credits to start, allowing for easy generation. To give you an idea, for about $10, you can generate 100 songs easily. This is part of their very affordable pricing. They have a Plus plan, a Pro plan, where for roughly $17 per month, you can generate about 500 songs, and an Ultra plan for around $33 per month. I will link Music GPT in the description below. You can easily start generating music for your videos. After generating your music, you simply have to download the files. The next step is creating the video using AI. Go to the Google Docs file and copy the second prompt. Paste this prompt into the same ChatGPT chat where you generated the music prompt. You can adjust the number of prompts based on how many video scenes you want, then click the Generate button. ChatGPT will create detailed video prompts for you. These prompts are designed to generate a 3D sleeping character, similar to the type used by successful sleeping music channels. Now go to your AI video tool. In this example, I will use Flow Labs by Google. After opening the tool, click on New Project and select Text to Video. In the settings, choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, select the number of videos, and choose the VEO 3.1 model. Next, copy the video prompt generated by ChatGPT and paste it into the text box. Click the Generate button, and your first video will start generating. Once the video is ready, click on Add to Scene to add more scenes. Use the plus icon on the timeline to add a new scene or expand the video length. Then copy the next prompt, paste it into the text box, click Generate, and repeat the same process until all your scenes are created. So your next video clip will begin generating. Then click on the Add Scene icon again, use the Expand button to set its duration, paste your next prompt, and click the Generate button. Your third video clip will also start rendering. Repeat this step for all your remaining scenes. After that, your entire video sequence will be complete and ready. I have now generated all my video clips in a simple, efficient way. Once our video is fully generated, click the Download button to save the final video file to your device. The next step is to combine your video and music. Open your video editor or any other software. Let's suppose I am using CapCut. After opening it, click on the Import button. Select the video you downloaded from Flow and import it here. Then, click the Import button again to bring in the music file you downloaded from Music GPT. After importing, drag and adjust your video onto the timeline. Next, take the music track we created with Music GPT and place it on the audio timeline. You should then reduce the volume of the original video track and disable its sound. This ensures that only the high-quality sleep music is heard in the final video. As an example, I have created a 1-minute video. You can generate longer content by creating extended audio in Music GPT and more scenes in your video tool, then following the same steps to assemble a longer video. After placing and adjusting your music on the timeline, these were the 2 main steps. Your video will easily be ready for export. Finally, click the Export button, upload it to YouTube, and you can start earning. The links for Music GPT and Google Flow are in the description below. You must check them out. Now let's preview our final video result.